Greetings, I'm Dev the developer.
And I'm Glitch.
We've been using borders as simple purple lines, but they're much more capable than that. Today, we're looking at how to define borders in CSS, how to set the width, the style, and the color to give your elements structure. Borders are the visual manifestation of the box model's third layer. They wrap the padding and the content. Glitch, let's start with a basic box.
A basic box, a secure container for HTML assets on it.
Now, let's define the border using three core properties: width, style, and color.
Switching to styles, I'll set each property individually. Three lines of code just to draw a perimeter. This seems inefficient. Surely CSS has a more compact protocol for this.
It does. We can use the border shorthand. It takes the width, the style, and the color in that order.
I'll compress those three lines into one. Much better one line to rule them all, but what if I want the boundary to be more porous?
We have different styles. Solid is the standard, but we also have dashed, dotted, and double. Try changing it to dashed.
Updating the style to dashed. Dashed like a suggested boundary rather than a hard one, useful for marking temporary perimeters.
You can also style each side individually. You can use border top, border bottom, and so on.
Asymmetrical borders, I'll add a heavy line on the left. Oh, a heavy red line on the left and nothing on the right. Asymmetrical containment, it's visually arresting.
It's useful for callouts, for sidebars, or for underlining text without using the text decoration property. Now, let's look at tables.
Tables, the ultimate organizational structure. I'll generate a basic grid for tracking purposes. Wait, why are there double lines between the cells? It looks like each cell has its own separate bubble. This is cluttered.
By default, table borders are separate. We can use border collapse to merge them into a single unified line.
I'll apply the collapse property to the table. Merging boundaries into a single unified front. Strategic, much cleaner. It looks like a single integrated infrastructure now.
Exactly. And there's even a property called border image if you want to use a graphic as a boundary.
Using images as barriers, creative, but for now, I think I prefer the precision of the solid line. It's definitive.
Take a few elements and experiment with different border styles. Try combining solid on top and dashed on the bottom. Try collapsing borders on a table. See how it changes the feel of your layout. Don't just watch it, do it.